right behind, shuffle, left behind,
I want to learn this
shuffle.
dance, but I don't have a partner.
That's fine. Today we're going to be teaching you all one of our favorite line dances, and don't worry about it if you don't have a partner, because you can do it by yourself too.
Howdy, and welcome to the Bar SC Ranch, where you will experience our journey of running a family business, caring for animals, and doing life together. Subscribe now and be inspired here at the Bar SC.
Hey guys, my name is Maddi, this is Kailey, and this is Anna, and today we're going to be teaching you all one of our favorite dances called Lay Low. This is a really fun one because you can either do it with a partner or by yourself. Lay Low is a 32 count dance where you'll be traveling in a circle. At first, we're going to be showing you how to do it by yourself in a straight line, and then we'll teach you how to add in a partner and actually do it in the circle. We're going to break down the 32 counts into counts by 8. So the first 8 counts, you're going to step behind, shuffle with your right foot, then step behind, shuffle with your left. We're going to go ahead and turn around and show you what that looks like. So you're going to start with your right foot. You're going to step behind, shuffle, step behind, shuffle. And that's your first 8 counts. And so we can turn around to do that, or no, we're this way. We can do that one more time. Starting with your right foot, step behind, shuffle, step behind, shuffle. For the next 8 counts, we're going to start off by doing a rock, recover, right, left, right. Then we're going to rock, recover, and we're going to actually turn and kind of shuffle on the way over. So again, what we're going to be doing is you're going to start with your right foot, rock, recover, right, left, recover, shuffle. Perfect. And then next, we're going to add both the first 8 counts into the second 8 counts. So we'll start facing this direction. We're going to start with our right foot, rock, behind, shuffle, left, behind, shuffle, right, recover, 1, 2, 3, left, recover, shuffle, and turn. Awesome. For the next 8 counts, we're going to be finishing our turn, and then we're going to be going into a cross step. So we're going to cross over and out, and we're going to do that a total of 3 times. So starting from the beginning, we're going to go right, out, left, out, right, out with our weight on our right foot. So putting that all together, we've just finished the second half of our turn. So we're going to step with our right foot and turn around. Then we're going to step across, out, across, out, across, out. Okay, and then putting all of those 8 counts together, we're going to start by facing the back wall with our right foot. We're going to right, behind, shuffle, left, behind, shuffle, right, recover, right, left, recover, shuffle, and turn. Step with your right and turn, right across, out, left across, out, right across, out. Perfect. For the next and final 8 counts, some of the steps that we'll be using is another shuffle step, so left and shuffle. And then the next one is called a jazz box. So that's where we're going to take our right foot across over the left foot back, right foot out, and left foot together. So we'll do just that jazz box again. So right foot across, left foot back, right foot out, left foot together. Alrighty, so next we're going to put it all together facing the back wall first. So we're going to start up by stepping out with our right foot, right, behind, shuffle, left, behind, shuffle, right, recover, right, left, recover, shuffle, and turn, right, turn, across, out, walk, forward, shuffle, jazz, bear. Awesome, and then that's the end of the dance. And when we finish, we're going to want to finish with the weight on our left foot so that then we can step out with our right foot again. Okay, and then next we're going to run through the whole dance just 2 more times. So we'll start by facing the other direction. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, behind, shuffle. Left, behind, shuffle. Right, recover, right, left, recover, shuffle, and turn. Right, turn, right across, out, right across, out, left, forward, and left shuffle, jazz box. Awesome, so we'll go ahead and do that one more time. And this time I'm just gonna say the counts, and then we'll go through it like that. So we'll start by facing the other direction. with our right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Awesome, and then next we're going to teach you how to add in a partner if you would like. Anna's going to help me teach you all how to do it as a couples dance. I'm going to be playing the role as the guy, and Anna's going to be playing the role of the girl. When we do this as a couples dance, the guy is going to take their arm, bring it around the girl's shoulder, and they're going to kind of loosely hold like this, and then our other hands are going to come around and loosely grip here. Most of the steps in the whole dance are completely the same, but the turn can be a little bit confusing. So we're going to show you that right now. So we're going to turn around, and we're going to start with the rock, recover, shuffle. So we're going to start with our right foot, rock, recover, shuffle, left, recover, and then as we turn, we're going to release with my hand that's over her shoulder, and as we turn, we're going to kind of go over, then we're going to step with the right, and then come back together. And our weight's on our right foot, so that then we can, or our weight's on our left foot, so then we can step across with our right. So we'll go through that one more time really quickly from the rock, recover, triple step, left, recover, shuffle and turn, right and back. So then we can go into the next step. Awesome, so next we're gonna go through the whole dance as a couple so that you can see it that way. So we'll start back here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome! So next we're going to show you guys how to do that in a circle. We're going to next do the whole dance 2 times through in a circle, traveling counterclockwise. Anna and I are going to be doing it as a couples dance, and Kailey's going to be doing it by herself so that you can see it both ways. So we're going to come right up here, and we're going to start 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and start again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And it's the whole dance 2 times through. Today we taught you one of our favorite dances, Lay Low. We really love teaching it to you guys. If you'd like to watch us do the dance to the actual music, you can check out our other video. Have a nice day. See you later.
If you enjoyed this video, we'd love to hear from you. Like and subscribe and leave us a comment about what you'd like to see in future episodes. We'll see ya back on the ranch.